Hey guys, so it is day 5 of NTI, Monday, and we are looking at lesson 47 on your simple solutions, and we are doing problems 6 through 10. 6 through 10. We completed 1 through 5 on Friday, so we're going to start with problem 6. So problem 6 says a freezer is 5 feet high, 2 feet deep, and 3 feet wide. How much space in volume does the freezer have? So we're thinking of a three-dimensional shape, volume. So it's 5 feet high. It is 2 feet deep and 3 feet wide. So to find volume of a rectangular prism, we're going to take the length times the width times the height. So the length times width times height, 3 times 2 times 5. 3 times 2 is 6, times that by 5, and 6 times 5 is 30. And since this is volume, this would be feet cubed, cubic feet. 30 cubic feet is what the freezer would hold. Okay, number 7 was actually a 5th grade standard where you are just using the order of operations to solve this problem. And we would do, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. You work these from left to right, whichever one comes first. So we're going to do parentheses. 24 divided by 6 is 4. And 4 times 4 is 16. So that expression simplified is 16. Number 8 says Candace cut a rectangular piece of paper into 2 congruent triangles, congruent meaning that they're the same size, same shape, each with a base of 9 inches and a height of 12 inches. What was the area of the rectangle? So you're not actually finding the area of the triangle because these are both congruent. We really just need to look at the rectangle. So to find the area of a rectangle, we just have to take the base times the height. And the base is 9 and the height is 12. So you would just need to multiply area equals base times height. Area equals 9 times 12. And 9 times 12 is 108. And our unit of measurement is inches squared. Squared inches because it's area, not volume. Okay, number 9, you are evaluating an expression. This is a 6th grade standard because we do have decimals and exponents. So 1.3 or 1 3/10 minus 3/10 times 3 to the 4th. So again, we're going to use our, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. We're going to do our parentheses first. So 1.3 minus 0.3 would just leave us with 1. Times that by 3 to the 4th. So 3 to the 4th, I'll go over here to the side a little bit. That actually means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So 3 times 3 is 9 times 3 times 3. 9 times 3 is 27 times 3. And 27 times 3 is 81. So 1.0 times 81. And we know any number times 1, 1.0 is the same as 1. Any number times 1 is just itself. So this would just be 81. Okay, and then your last problem on your call to the post, simple solutions, problem 10 is a division problem. 840 divided by 50. So I'm going to ask myself the question, how many groups of 50 will go into 8? And it won't. How many groups of 50 will go into 84? That would be one group of 50. So I subtract, and I have 4 left here and 3 left here. And this is okay because 34 is smaller than my divisor. So now I'm ready to bring down my 0. How many groups of 50 will go into 340? Well, I know 5 times 6 is 30. So 50 times 6 would be 300. So times it by 6, and you get 300, and you have 40 left over. So at this point, we can either make it into a fraction, 16 and 40 over 50, which would simplify to 16 and 4/5, or we can add a decimal point and a 0, bring down that 0. 50 will go into 400 how many times? Well, I know 5 times 8 is 40. So 50 times 8 is 400. So 16.8 would be your answer for number 10. And that's it for today's Simple Solutions. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope I get to see you soon. I miss all of you.